just go along? How can we fall asleep at night when something's clearly wrong? When we can feed a starving world with what we throw away, but all we serve are empty words that always taste the same. We must stand together. There's no giving in. Hand in hand forever. That's when we all win. That's when we all win. That's when we all win. The right thing to guide us is right here inside us. No one can divide us when the light is nearly gone. But just like a heartbeat, the drum beat carries on. And the drum beat carries on. We must stand together. There's no giving in. Hand in hand forever. That's when we all win. That's when we all win. That's when we all win.
Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır bilmey. Yürütmeyim canıma da, dökülerim sen bana. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır bilmey. Yürütmeyim canıma da, dökülerim sen bana. Yürek akılda tındamaydı. Börek şandı kalmaydı. Özünde oylamay bir gülmetse şirkin. Mahabatta sınalmay öterime dertin. Özünde oylamay bir gülmetse şirkin. Mahabatta sınalmay öterime dertin. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır vermey. Yürütmeyim canıma da var, dökülerim sen bana. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır vermey. Yürütmeyim canıma da var, dökülerim sen bana. Gerek emez benim azalanma, deyip aytuğa şamma paralanma. Bu menimiz Oylagan dönüşüge dedim, gülüm nesinden tamamay dedin oyan. Sen tegeres Bu menimiz, sen tegeres. Canıma da var, sen bana da var. Sen tegeres Bu menimiz, canıma da var, sen bana da var. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır vermey. Dertmeyim canıma da var, dökülerim sen bana var. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır vermey. Dertmeyim canıma da var, dökülerim sen bana var. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır vermey. Dertmeyim canıma da var, dökülerim sen bana var. Seni görsem ben demey, yürek soğur sır vermey. Dertmeyim canıma da var, dökülerim sen bana var.
come, and she'll say to me, she'll say, yeah, I will fly you to the moon and back if you'll be my baby. Got a ticket for a world where we belong. So would you be my baby? She can remember a time when she felt needed. If love was weapon, she was colorblind. All her friends were up in trial for treason and crimes that we never defined. She's saying, love's like a barren place, and reaching out for human faith is like a journey I just don't have a map for. So baby, gonna take a dive and put shit to overdrive. Turn the second matches, hanging all the hoops on the stars. But a pleasant dream. Just saying, yeah, I will fly you to the moon and back if you'll be my baby. Got a ticket for a world where we belong. So would you be my baby? Mom never loved her much, and Daddy never keeps in touch. That's why she shies away from human affection. But somewhere in a private place, she picks back from outer space. Now she's waiting for the right kind of pilot to come. Yeah, I'll fly you to the moon and back if you'll be my baby. Got a ticket for a world where we belong. So would you be my baby? Yeah, I'll fly you to the moon and back if you'll be my baby. Got a ticket for a world where we belong. So would you be my baby?
A little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. I am what I want you to want, what I want you to feel. But it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go of watching you turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got.
I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored.
A little bit insecure, a little unconfident, cause you don't understand to do what I can, but sometimes I don't make sense. I am what you never want to say, but I've never had a doubt. It's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you for once just to hear me out. So what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. You know what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now. I say I run it cause I'm in control. Hypnotic Hennessy, a couple shots of Patron. I had you feeling nice, I get your eyes tight. Party poppin', shot says she coming with me tonight. I ain't self-deleted, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head, or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. Nigga, you front, you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm sitting, cause I want you to trip it. Yeah, I be on that shit, you should see when I'm stunting. I fast the stones to be bumping, push the whips to be rolling. You can tell that I'm howling, I'm just doing my thing. You know the girls the gang. I got my crime and shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me off your ass. A bit of lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some gas. Let's go. You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now.
We got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed the fellowship through it. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis, it's soon nemesis. Ain't for him, it's just media, see the them, it's just images. With the shit, it's no gimmicks, this is blood in and blood out. When there's beef, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it. It usually just evolves into one big brawl, and we all get involved in it, we should all get a merit. This must be we inherit and wear it like a badge of honor, pass it around and share it and let it go to whoever's holding the most current people on their shoulders. And the soldiers got their backs and it's over. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Thanks, Cassius and Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady after Miss Ass back in that ass. You was asking Miss on what kind of berserker possession is that?
You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This love is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This love is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now.
Pistol play, ricochet, see where the victim lay. Slumped over, bleeding, JFK. HK to your chest plate, cave, I will ride to the death. You rep that way, forever I'ma be a shady 7-4 gangster. Twist I survive everything you got in that chamber. I thrive off the danger, jumping it all beat. You keep talking shit, next squad, call me.
Enough holding back the steam, and little for magazine. Dapper Dawn, Capra Queens, mixed in with Cassius Dream. Started off with half a dream, developed into what you see. Telling me my cup of tea, can't tell I'm a fucking G. I'm on automatic, when I'm at it, start static. You can splatter, shit shattered. I'm a walking bitch magnet. Spit it high, live it all the way to the limit. And I'm always on my pivot for my digits. You dig it? So
we run it. You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you're acting like it down now.
I'm just a breath away, losing my faith today.
Falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the haze. It's just another war, just another family torn.
Falling from my feet today.
Just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. today to live another day, speaking my mind today.
My voice will be heard today.
I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man.
I'm not superhuman.
My voice will be heard today. It's just another war.